be very encouraging, in fact, for financial markets. We get a smooth transition and we get a reform drive. You know, I think it's more of the same in a way, but the market should be quite happy with what they've seen, so it should be comforting going forward. The expectations of appreciation of the renminbi are still largely driven by the strength of the Chinese economy, and we're expecting, you know, a stronger Chinese economy into next year. I think by association you'd also expect a stronger currency.
It's a part of the world where there's a lot of affinity for gold, and the more people benefit from and participate in the value creation, they'll have more money to spend on gold.
Transforming the Chinese economy is now key, I think, towards more sustainable growth, in particular, I think, towards from an investment-led growth towards a consumption-based growth, and that obviously has very big implications for Europe, for the US, and for the global economy.
The key thing about the transition in China is that it's a calm transition, that there's no ruptures, that there's no coups, and that there's no risk of turmoil, political turmoil, financial turmoil in China. So as long as the Chinese manage to stage a smooth transition process, the outcome, who exactly takes over in the end, is relatively irrelevant, it seems.
The longer-term issue is what the new Politburo means for Chinese policy on a 3 to 10-year view. And from that perspective, I think people are closely looking at the composition of the Politburo, which we'll see on November the 15th, and giving us a clue whether it is going to have some reform elements or whether the Conservatives could potentially dominate.